Hello viewers, welcome back to my another video. Being able to rotate your iPhone screen brings a lot of convenience to the table, whether you are viewing photos, watching videos or playing games. Transitioning to landscape mode feels intuitive, but what if the screen rotation features fail to work as expected on your iPhone? Depending on your situation, fixing the problem could be as easy as turning off the screen rotation lock or as demanding as resetting your iPhone. So, in this tutorial, I will show you how to fix screen rotation not working on iPhone. Solution 1. Turn off the screen rotation lock. The first thing you need to do is ensure that the rotation lock is turned off on your iPhone. To unlock Auto Rotate, swipe down from the top right corner of the screen and tap the rotation lock button on that looks like a lock with an arrow circling it. As you do that, a message will appear at top that reads Portrait Orientation Lock Off. Solution 2. Restart the app. Occasionally, apps on iPhone can become unresponsive, causing the screen to remain locked in on orientation. If the problem is specific to a particular app, you can try restarting it to see if that helps. To close the problematic app, swipe up from the bottom of the screen and swipe up on its app card, and then reopen the app and check if the issue is still there. Solution 3. Restart your iPhone. If you have iPhone 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15 series and iPhone SE 2nd and 3rd generation, do the following steps. Quickly press and release the volume up button. Next, quickly press and release the volume down button. Finally, press and hold the side or power button until you see the Apple logo. Solution 4. Turn off display zoom. For that, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Find and tap on Display and Brightness. Scroll down to tap on Display Zoom. Select Default and tap Done in the upper right corner of the screen. Solution 5. Install iOS Update. To update, open Settings app. Next, tap on General. Tap on Software Update. If any update is available, download and install it. This was today's video. Hope you like and enjoy the video. Do like, comment, share and also subscribe to Apple Info YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.